Howdy, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. If you're from Philadelphia or from the surrounding areas, chances are you've had a South Philly cheesesteak, or at least you know what they are. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of a South Philly cheesesteak. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to make it a keto version South Philly cheesesteak. Want to see how I do all that? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Now that's a cheesesteak, and if you want keto, put it on a taco. And there you have it, Philly cheesesteak style, only in the keto version, on a taco. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.